Life can be very unapologetic. It does not wait for you to decide to be happy, to decide to go after your dreams, or to make the next move. It isn't always peaches and rainbows. Most of the time, it's gray skies and thunderstorms. It's running on concrete barefoot, and it's filled with 1,000 almost moments. Then there are the days that life decides to smile on you. You get warm sun on your skin and hot sand between your toes and crisp air that wraps around you like a hug. You get laughter in car rides and the taste of fresh fruit and music that fills up your soul. Life can be very unpredictable, like the ocean. Some days can be calm and refreshing, and some beat you down in waves. But no matter what happens in life, I know I can always go to the beach.